In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on TikTok direct messages on or off in just few easy steps. Step 1. Open TikTok and go to your profile. Once it's open, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Next, on your profile page, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner to open more options. From menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Privacy to open up your privacy controls. Under the Privacy section, find and tap Direct Messages. Here, tap on Permission Settings to adjust who can message you. Then, you'll see two main sections, Potential Connections. You can choose Request if you want messages from followers to go to your message request folder, or Don't Receive if you want to block them from messaging you. Others on TikTok. Pick Requests to allow messages requests from people you don't follow, or Don't Receive to block them completely. And that's it. Your message settings are now updated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful TikTok tips.